Now, if your Shopify store here is not showing any variants for your products, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do or you may want to check. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your variants here are properly set up. So, you want to go to Shopify.com, log in into your account, and you want to go to the left side here and you want to access products. Now, in your products, you want to go and just open up or access the product that you want to basically manage here. Like we have the sample shirt here. So you want to go to your variants here and you want to make sure that they are, again, properly set up. So maybe colors or sizes, make sure that you've already added them in the variant section. Now, also, you want to make sure that the amount that you currently have right now for your variant is actually is a possible amount. Like, for example, if you have like black here but you don't have anything available but you actually have, I would highly recommend you to edit it. Now, to edit this, you want to go and click on the variant section at the top left here, click on the three dot option at the top right here, and you want to go ahead and choose the option for editing it. So you can edit prices, quantities, edit SKUs. But if you click on bulk edit here, it should direct you to this kind of like a cell or Excel file that you could just edit the cell for it. Now, first of all, we have like sample shirt black. So for example, we have 100 on this specific location, and also in this location. Let's go and click on save at the top right here. And once you've saved that, I could go and go back, and that should fix your problem. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to make sure that the variant section is enabled or is being shown. So if you've hidden this in some way, well, you need to enable this. You want to go and click on online store. You want to go to teams, and you want to go ahead and click on the customize button that you see here. And at the very top, you want to go and switch over to products. Let's go to products. Let's go and choose default product. Now, at the left side, you want to go ahead and expand product information, and you want to make sure that variant picker here is not hidden. So if you do see an I that has some cross on it, it means that specific section is hidden. So you want to go and click on it so that it's available. But if you don't see variant picker here, just make sure to re-add that in here. So let's go and just delete this real quickly here. So you should see an option here to add that. Again, go and click on add section here and just basically add the variant picker. If you don't see that, you could go and just go in here and you could go ahead and basically edit this. So by the way, sometimes the option for you to show or hide your variant section here maybe because of some code edit here. So if you don't have or didn't edit the code itself, you don't have to worry about it. But if you do edited the code for it, well, you may need to basically revert your changes. So I'll be showing you how to do that later on. But yeah, so you just need to go ahead and just go in between the add block section here. Click on the plus button. Again, you just need to add the variant picker and just rearrange it. Let's go and add it under price and just click on save at the top right to save your changes. Now, like what I said before, sometimes if you edited your code, you want to go ahead and click on online store here, go to teams, and you want to go and just revert to a previous theme that you currently have. Like for example, you're using Horizon here, go and choose publish here. Now, also, if you did, it's every time you make changes or manual changes into the code for your team, it is highly recommended that you make an extra copy just in case something went wrong here. So make sure to revert to that specific copy that you made before in here, or you can just delete whatever code you've added before. Now, if you've just recently installed any app into your store, it is highly recommended that you uninstall that app. So you just need to go to settings at the bottom left here, and you want to go to apps and sales channel, and look for the app that you just recently installed. Click on the three dot option, click on uninstall to uninstall that app from your store and see if that helps. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.